Hello, today you're looking at a Sassc 1500 amp 9 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully tested, checked out, in great working condition. I'll show you guys the nameplate really quick. This is water cooled, does come with a remote, wired for 463 phase. Overall dimensions is gonna be 41 inches length, 27 inches width, 64 inches high. Total weight is 740 pounds. Looks good in there. We'll get this going for you right now. Show you guys the O-scope. It's a quiet running unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.